guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. One of the questions we get asked a lot is how long will my media last? Now the general answer to that is it'll last you about 10 times longer than it does in a dry blast cabinet. That being said, if you don't have a dry blast cabinet and you're not switching over, it's really not a good answer for you. The media, depending on which type, and right now we're standing in front of an 800 FL that has glass bead in it. This media, normal use for a hobbyist or a small shop, it's probably going to last you 2 months with absolutely no issues. The easiest way to determine your media and how long it's going to last for you, take a scrap part when you first get the machine, blast it, set it up here on top of the machine, and as you're blasting your parts moving forward, just kind of compare the finish between the two. When you see that finish starting to fade, it's time to get more media. If your machine takes 25 pounds of media, I would order 50, just so that when that one starts to fade, you have a backup and then you can order more. We also have a brand new program right now where you can actually set up recurring orders, especially for media. This works fantastic. Once you kind of figure out how often you're going to go through the media, call the sales team. We can set up a recurring invoice for you. This way, nobody has to worry about running out of media. You don't have to worry about it. We don't have to worry about trying to rush an order to you. It's a fantastic way to get media and keep it there in your shop. If you have any questions about that, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.